Hey everyone, let's talk about meerkats. These fascinating creatures are some of the most interesting animals you'll find in the wild. They have unique behaviors and characteristics that make them stand out in the animal kingdom. These little guys are mammals, and they live way down in southern Africa. Specifically, you can find them in countries like Botswana, Namibia, and South Africa. They thrive in the arid open plains and savannas where they can dig their intricate burrow systems. You'll know them by how they stand straight up like little soldiers. This upright posture is not just for show, it's a crucial part of their survival strategy. By standing on their hind legs, meerkats can get a better view of their surroundings and spot potential predators from a distance. They have long bodies and short legs, and their fur is usually grey and brown. This coloration helps them blend into their desert environment, providing excellent camouflage against the sandy and rocky terrain. This helps them hide in the desert. When they sense danger, they can quickly disappear into their surroundings, making it difficult for predators to spot them. Their burrows also provide a safe haven where they can escape from threats. They even have dark circles around their eyes, like built-in sunglasses, to protect them from the bright sun. These dark patches reduce the glare from the sun, allowing meerkats to see more clearly when they are on the lookout for danger. Meerkats are super social and live in big families called mobs or gangs. These social structures are essential for their survival as they rely on each other for protection, food, and care of the young. Each member of the mob has a specific role to play. A mob can have as many as 30 meerkats. Within these groups, you'll find a complex social hierarchy, with dominant individuals leading the group and making important decisions. The dominant pair, usually the alpha male and female, are the primary breeders. Each mob has a mum and dad in charge, and they usually have the most babies. The other members of the mob help take care of the young, ensuring that the pups are well fed and protected. This cooperative behavior is one of the reasons meerkats are so successful in their harsh environment. Meerkats are also excellent diggers. They use their strong, curved claws to dig extensive burrow systems which can be several meters deep and have multiple entrances. These burrows provide shelter from the extreme temperatures of the desert and a safe place to raise their young. When it comes to food, meerkats are not picky eaters. They primarily feed on insects, but they also eat small mammals, birds, eggs, and even plants. Their diet is quite varied, which helps them survive in the challenging conditions of the desert. One of the most fascinating aspects of meerkat behavior is their vigilance. While some members of the mob forage for food, others stand guard, keeping an eye out for predators like eagles, hawks, and snakes. This teamwork ensures that the group stays safe and can quickly respond to any threats. Meerkat pups are incredibly playful and curious. They spend a lot of time exploring their surroundings and learning important survival skills from the older members of the mob. Playtime is not just fun for them, it's a crucial part of their development. Grooming is another important social activity for meerkats. They spend a lot of time grooming each other, which helps to strengthen social bonds and keep their fur clean and free of parasites. This behavior is essential for maintaining the health and cohesion of the mob. Despite the harsh conditions of their environment, meerkats have adapted remarkably well to life in the desert. They are resilient, resourceful, and incredibly social animals. Their ability to work together and support each other is a testament to the power of cooperation in the animal kingdom. So next time you see a meerkat standing tall, remember that there's a lot more to these little creatures than meets the eye. They are a perfect example of how teamwork and adaptability can help animals thrive in even the most challenging environments. Meerkats live in tough places, hot, dry deserts. They like open areas like grasslands and savannas. To stay cool in the desert, they lie on cool sand or rocks to cool their bellies. They're also great diggers and make underground homes called burrows with lots of doors. This helps them escape from danger quickly. Burrows keep them safe from the heat during the day and cozy at night. So, what do meerkats eat? Mostly insects. They love scorpions and are even immune to their poison. How cool is that? They also eat other small creatures like lizards, snakes, and spiders. Sometimes they'll munch on plants, fruits, roots, and seeds. They get most of their water from the food they eat, which is super important in the desert. Meerkats are all about family. Everyone in the mob has a job to do. Some babysit the little ones, some hunt for food, and some stand guard, like little lookouts. These guards stand on their back legs to see better. If they see danger, they make a warning sound to tell everyone to hide. What's a typical day like for a meerkat? These fascinating creatures, known for their upright stance and social behavior, have a daily routine that is both busy and intriguing. Busy, they wake up early and sunbathe to warm up. The first rays of the sun are crucial for them to shake off the cold desert night. They stretch and bask in the warmth, preparing their bodies for the activities ahead. Then it's time to hunt for breakfast. Meerkats are omnivores, and their diet includes insects, small mammals, and even plants. They rely heavily on their keen sense of smell to locate food hidden beneath the surface. They use their sharp claws to dig for insects. These claws are perfectly adapted for breaking through the hard, dry soil of their desert home. Digging is a communal activity, with each meerkat taking turns to ensure everyone gets a share of the food and work together to find food. Cooperation is key in meerkat society. They have a complex social structure, with each member playing a specific role, from sentinels who keep watch for predators to foragers who gather food. When it gets too hot, they take a break in their burrows. These underground homes provide a cool refuge from the scorching midday sun. Inside, they rest and socialize, grooming each other and reinforcing social bonds. As it cools down, they go out again to find more food and hang out. The cooler temperatures of the late afternoon and early evening are perfect for another round of foraging. This is also a time for social activities, such as playing and reinforcing group cohesion. Finally, it's back to the burrow for the night. As darkness falls, meerkats retreat to the safety of their burrows. Here, they huddle together for warmth and protection, ready to start another day when the sun rises again. Baby meerkats are called pups. They're born blind and deaf and need their parents a lot. Everyone in the mob helps take care of the pups, bringing them food and teaching them important stuff like how to eat scorpions without getting stung. The pups learn by watching the grown-ups. Living in the desert is hard. Meerkats have to watch out for predators like eagles, hawks, snakes, jackals, and caracals. Sadly, humans can be a threat too, as we build houses and take up their land. It's important to protect meerkats. Some people are working hard to save their homes and teach others why meerkats are important. Some even help meerkats who are hurt or alone. We can all help by learning about meerkats and their problems. Ready for some fun facts? Let's dive into the fascinating world of meerkats. Meerkats can stand on their back legs for a long time because of their strong tails, which they use for balance. This unique ability allows them to keep a lookout for predators while the rest of the group forages for food. It's like having a built-in periscope. They have a special cover over their eyes to keep out dust when they dig. This adaptation is crucial for their survival in the harsh desert environment where they live. When meerkats dig, they can close their ears to keep out sand, and their eyes have a clear protective membrane that acts like goggles. This way, they can dig efficiently without getting irritated by the dust. They even have a special call to warn others about danger. Meerkats are amazing animals. Their communication system is highly sophisticated, with different calls for different types of threats. For example, they have distinct calls for aerial predators like eagles and ground predators like snakes. This helps the group respond appropriately to various dangers, ensuring their safety. They're great at living in the desert, and their families are super cool. Meerkats live in tight-knit family groups called mobs or clans, which can consist of up to 50 members. These groups are led by a dominant pair, usually the alpha male and female, who are the only ones that breed. The rest of the group helps raise the young, showing incredible teamwork and cooperation. They take turns babysitting, foraging, and keeping watch for predators. Learning about them helps us understand how wonderful nature is. By studying meerkats, scientists gain insights into social behavior, communication, and survival strategies in harsh environments. This knowledge not only enriches our understanding of these fascinating creatures, but also highlights the intricate balance of ecosystems and the importance of conservation. So next time you see a meerkat, remember there's a lot more to these small mammals than meets the eye. Their resilience, adaptability, and social structure make them truly remarkable.